turned down my walls, my armor shattered on the floor tonight. If your heart will be a temple, I'll be standing at the door tonight. Heart is racing faster than an angel taking flight tonight. Tonight, for someone so mysterious, you make my heart ignite. Tonight, tonight, I'm a river, you're an ocean. Want the rivers meet the sea. Lights around us shine, we're lost in space and time. Come close, we are bound for
Well then, it is 11:25. This is the campsite called Satori. There you go. I'll turn it around in a minute. Just going to have a coffee and I'm going to go over there and recce the area. Yeah. You got to do it, mate. Coffee and recce the area. Yeah. Just switch it around. Satori Campsite. Do a little bit of wrecking. At least I can use a spade to make a fire pit, which is good. So once I've ferried everything over there, then I won't be coming across that field again. It's even left me a wheelbarrow as well, but I'm not really sure I'm going to use it. It's a lot harder pushing a wheelbarrow up the hill. I'll see what the terrain's like. I think it'd be a lot harder using a wheelbarrow. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. It'd be a lot easier. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a coffee and then that'll be it. I think this is the fairy glade, mate. Yeah. Look at that. There we go. I've got to apparently walk that way. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's given me a wheelbarrow, but this terrain, I can't do it. It would be too much of a struggle, mate. Quite flat. Let's go for a walk. Follow me. Wish I had a GoPro. It's the first time I've ever walked this way, so I'm actually looking in the camera and watching my footing. Glad I've walked the gators though. My intuition told me get gators. Foxgloves. You see, look at that. She said here. Here, this way. I think this is it. There we go. Just trying to remember what I said. There we go. my bin here, so yeah, normally I don't get the camera out because I need to conserve my battery, but I'm quite close to the car, so right, he said where am I going? Where's this compost bin? Compost toilet. She said come here, and then she said there's a compost bin round here. Compost toilet. Let's have a look. There it is. That's the compost toilet. Let's go and have a look. There we go. Let's have a look. Owl's Roost. Compost. That's quite cool. That one's not usable, so I think that's the tap she's talking about that's leaking. Quite cute actually. Take a picture of that. There you go. I didn't actually record coming in, so there's a compost toilet. Let's walk this way. She said go adjacent to here. Come up here. Picture. She said go straight across. Jesus, I don't know where I'm going, mate. So I'm wrecking the area. Wrecking the area. Where am I going from here? I reckon it's down here. There should be a signage here. She said it's hazel. So that's the compost toilet here. There's like a river. Go. She gave me some directions, but because I'm trying to figure out what to do, this is all new to me, mate. I need a wee though, so I don't want to walk on that bit. We treat guests only beyond this gate. It's quite far, mate. There's the yurt. I'm gravitating towards the woodland, so there's a yurt there, isn't it? Picture that. Let me just stop the camera. Let's go this way. It looks like a path. Let's take that wide berth on this one. That's the woodland. I'm assuming there's a river on and along there. Trying to imagine pushing this wheelbarrow all this way. There's a, like, what's that? I think that's crickets, I think. Yeah, crickets. These are quite pretty. These are really pretty. What's that called? Primrose. I'm sort of gravitating towards the woodland. But picture that one. I don't know where I'm going. Let's go this way. Go into the woods. Right, so this is the woodland area. This is supposed to be the bit boggy here, mate, isn't it? There's a little brook. Keep going. Get off. Okay. This can't be it. Nice river there.
You've turned down my walls, my armor shattered on the floor tonight. If your heart will be a temple, I'll be standing at the door tonight. Heart is racing faster than an angel taking flight tonight. Tonight, for someone so mysterious, you make my heart ignite. Tonight, tonight,